Owning a home is rewarding, yet it isn't on autopilot. Shortly, I'll give you a quick list of must-dos to keep your home in top shape and safe. I'm Denise Swick with Swick & Company at RE/MAX Performance. If you're thinking of selling, please check out our site here to get an approximate valuation. And if you're considering buying, please click this link to find all the current inventory in the Miami Valley. Okay, caulking. Caulk doesn't cost much, but it does an important job, keeping water out of places that it shouldn't be in. Inspect your shower, tub, and all around your windows and doors on a regular basis for places that need to be recaulked. Then get on it right away. Fixing water damage costs a lot more. Cleaning your dryer vent. You probably clean your dryer's lint trap regularly, but when's the last time you cleaned out your dryer vent? If it's been more than a year, it's time to get to it. Too much buildup can lead to a fire. Roof repairs. A leaky roof can lead to a big problem. Structural damage, mold, loss of personal property, it's nothing to mess with. Chimney sweeping. You can put a lot of cleaning tasks off, but chimney sweeping isn't one of them. Hire a professional chimney sweep once a year to make sure your chimney is free of creosote, bird's nest, and other flammables. Change your HVAC filter. Dirty air filters cause HVAC systems to work harder than it should and run up your utility bills. Extend the life of your HVAC unit and keep more cash in your pocket by replacing your filter once a month. Just $3 a month could save you thousands. Pest problems. Termites, carpenter ants, roaches, rodents. If they've taken up residence in your home, the time to deal with them is now. Waiting only will lead to more costly treatments and further damage to your home. Plumbing leaks. Big leak, small leak, any type of leak can do big damage to your home. Address all plumbing problems as soon as they arise. Then learn how to keep your plumbing in tip-top shape so you have fewer problems going forward. Peeling paint. Fresh paint makes your house look nice, but it serves a more important purpose. Keeping your house dry and rot-free. If the paint on your home is peeling, it's time to go after it with a scraper and a paint can. Note, if your home was built before 1978, you need to have your home tested for lead before you do any scraping. Drainage problems. Clogged gutters, downspouts that don't direct away from the house, improper grading. There are a lot of things that can lead to drainage problems around your house, and all of them put your home's foundation at risk and invite water indoors. Now, not later, is the time to tackle those rainwater woes. For more information on repairs you shouldn't put off, click here. For more information on finding your home, call us at 937-619-7447 or on the web at deniseswick.com. I'll see you soon.